In this video, I'm about to show you how to stream from iPhone to Sony TV. To stream from your iPhone to a Sony Smart TV, first ensure your TV supports AirPlay 2, usually available on models made after 2019. Make sure both your iPhone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then enable AirPlay on your TV by accessing the settings menu and turning on the AirPlay option. On your iPhone, open the control center, tap on screen mirroring, and select your TV from the list. Your iPhone screen will now appear on the TV. If AirPlay is not supported, you can use a Lightning to HDMI adapter and an HDMI cable. Connect the adapter to your iPhone and the HDMI cable to the TV. Then switch the TV input to the corresponding HDMI port and your iPhone screen will be mirrored on the TV. Another option is to use apps like Allcast. Install the app on your iPhone, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi, and select your TV within the app. For Chromecast users, set up the device using the Google Home app and cast content directly from compatible apps like YouTube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.